Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let's tap on the display. As you can see right here, we've got the eye comfort mode, so let's tap. And before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this second switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns maybe a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. And what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then it is the best mode for you. So currently the color temperature, because here we can adjust it, the color temperature is I would say right in the middle. And by going to the left, we can make it much cooler, it's almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer, it's almost orangish, I would say. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is more comfortable for you. I will keep this option. What's more, because of this option you will have to turn on and off this mode manually, but you can automate the schedule. So you can just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, you can pick the schedule plan. So after tapping on it, you've got additional two options. So you've got the custom schedule. You can freely pick the start and end time. It's of course up to you how you want to set it. As you can see, the screen immediately turned back to its normal state. It is because we are currently not between the start and the end time. But here you've got also the option sunset to sunrise, which simply means that after picking it, your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and automatically will turn it on or off. But I will stick with the first option, so the manual option. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature. So now let me show you faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And here we have to go to the second section, let's say, so just swipe it. And here we've got the eye comfort mode icon. So currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will get back to its normal state. And the same situation if you want to turn it on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to customize, and how to actually turn on the eye comfort mode in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.